That's how you know it's such bad quality. Clutch, slave cylinder, and a 2.5 hour drive. Yeah. It's so heavy. Neighbors, my apologies. Brittany's second time on the lift. I literally just did the intro like twice and the camera wasn't recording, but anyways, what is going on, guys? So we're finally gonna go ahead and take care of the clutch slave cylinder issue that we had on Brittany, but other than that, we actually went ahead and got a whole new clutch for it, so I'm gonna show you guys that later though. As you can see, we're not really home because I don't have the conditions or the experience to do this, so Alton and his son are actually gonna go ahead and help out with the little project. Huge shout out to them. If you guys don't remember Alton, I'm gonna show you real quick. As you can see right over there, that's a supercharged 370Z that we reviewed on the channel. Yeah, we're back at his shop. I'm gonna try my best to kind of show you guys how to do everything, and me as well learn. So we went ahead and got the Z-Speed. As you can see, I already told you guys, Z-Speed Performance, heavy duty slave cylinder, so this issue doesn't happen again. I was gonna go with the Delete, but like way too expensive and I just couldn't. As you can see right there. So clutch wise, I went with the old clutch systems. Nothing crazy, quality, decent. It's gonna do its job, it's nothing really crazy. Yeah, that's what I went with, so let's get started. When I went under here, the AC was leaking and I was like, what is that? Just the AC. So first thing we did, we went with the drive shaft. We didn't really have to take out the exhaust, so we just kind of pull it down and push it. I'm not used to this. Yo guys, look how sick Brittany looks up there though. I haven't seen her in a lift in forever. Long time. So that's all. We just disconnect the drive shaft and all the bolts over there and this. Yeah. And that's it?
That's it.
Wow.
Take all the bolts around.
How many are there?
Oh, that's a lot of bolts.
Oh, yeah,
that's why we gotta lower more. Take this off. Lower so we can get the two right here. Take the bolts on
with
the
an
top.
extent, yeah. Whew. Thank God that I came. I was thinking on doing this by myself. I'm like, yeah, no, I don't think I can. I don't even know that much, and having to do it on the ground.
Oh, that's not easy in the ground.
Yeah.
You're gonna be hitting yourself.
Yeah, I'm gonna. Good thing we came, boys. But yeah, we estimated 3 hours. Actually, they did. It's currently 12:20. I think we're working on like 15 minutes maybe. So like at 3:30, fingers crossed, we might be done. We'll see. You're taking off like the inside little shifter and all that. So we gotta make sure all that is disconnected so when we pull the transmission down, it doesn't just kind of stay stuck there. That wouldn't be good. How many bolts are there? 4, right?
Yeah, there's 4. But you don't have to take those off.
Yeah. I'm sorry if I'm doing a terrible job, guys. Oh my gosh. I'm trying. How big these transmission bolts are. They're the biggest bolts I've ever seen.
We have to disconnect them.
So you guys can see right there, slave cylinder leaking. Good thing that's the problem, man. Yeah. Right now we're taking out the line. Good thing that we're right at about the problem and the slave is leaking. It's kind of a relief. Oh yeah.
You want to put something extra in?
Oh, got it. That's what it looks like. It looks really nice compared to the other one. Yeah, it looks much better. That goes there.
And this one here goes to, we take this one out. This is going to be deleted.
Oh, I see.
So we don't need them.
It looks much better than the OEM. Like the slave cylinders, why are they so bad?
Plastic.
They're plastic.
The
right?
rubber piece of shit. They dry.
It came deep cut and I'll plug it back in.
Look at this garbage. This is what we all hate, guys, right here.
Put that back where it was.
So it doesn't look that bad?
No. I don't know the clutch.
Wait, that thing's got some force, huh?
Got guts.
In case you guys have never seen it like me, there's a 370Z transmission out of the car. That's pretty cool. Here we got the new sleeve. Just compare the difference. Look at this. This is the old one, raggedy and bad. This is the new one. Like this is all plastic right here, so you guys can see, and that's like all metal. And then you got like the metal lines.
It's not bad.
It's not bad.
This has got a lot of heat burnt, like riding it.
Is that me? Yep.
Yeah, but it's not that bad. Wow.
No.
I thought it would be worse.
Yeah, but believe it or not, that creates slip.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why the clutch is like really, it grabs or it doesn't. Like there's no like in middle, like slowly.
But you got everything new, right?
Yeah.
No look back. Just have it on and get it on.
Yeah, that's true.
Oh, yeah. A little bit.
This one's heavy. I think this one's like 24 pounds. And I think the one that we have right now that I bought, it's like 18 or 19 pounds. So that's like quite a bit downsized, like weight wise. We just went ahead and cleaned the surface. Because usually, like even if it's like new, it has like some grease and like surface on it. So when you install it first, it's gonna cause slipping if it's not really clean. Guys, another thing, I really hope that the clutch isn't too soft and kind of like similar to mine. Hopefully, because mine's like really heavy and I complain about it sometimes, but honestly, I'm gonna miss it if it's not as heavy or close to as heavy.
Shake weight. Whoa! Shake
Good
weight.
thing that hit it right here.
Right there.
Shake weight ain't got nothing on you, dogs.
Got the new one in. Alright, quick little update. The camera died on me, so I was charging it when they put back the transmission. So I think I showed you guys a clip of the phone. They put in the new clutch, the new flywheel, everything was good. Now they're putting up the transmission, but let me show you guys this 350Z. If you guys remember, they're also building like an LS swapped turbo 350Z. Look how it's coming along right here. Are we gonna make a video on this?
Yeah, for sure.
For sure. It's gonna be sick. Got the VQ engine cover.
Yeah, we're gonna put the VQ engine.
Oh, you are?
Yeah, we're gonna put the VQ engine.
You think it's gonna make like 600, 700?
For 750 right now on the 465 transmission.
Damn, dude, that's gonna be sick. Sorry if I haven't really showed you guys much on the transmission and everything. I haven't really worked on it. It's been basically them. Because I mean, I kind of don't want to be like in their space. But yeah, almost done. Everything's going back. How sketchy this is. Now we gotta go ahead and pump the clutch. Yeah, let's just say I'm not very comfortable right now. Alright. It feels so weird not to have a clutch.
Hanging on, right?
Huh?
You know this is hanging on?
What?
The antenna pretty well?
I know. It's bad. Down. No, it got hard, then now it's soft again. Alright, now it's harder. Yeah, now it's good. Yeah. It feels just as hard as the old one that I had. It's weird. Like literally, it feels the exact same. I thought it would like change. Alright, we're going down. We're going down. Going down. Yeah, it's a little bit softer. I noticed that. The only thing I have to say about the clutch, guys, is definitely much lighter. Like, that's something that I'm like, about, but I kind of knew it was gonna happen. I don't know. That's something I'm gonna have to get used to, but so far, everything's good. We'll see how it drives on the drive home. Pretty satisfied. I mean, At least it's good knowing that you have a new, quote unquote, a new clutch, you know. And a much better slave cylinder, so. Alright guys, and just like that, we're gonna put the AC on. We're gonna head home because we have like a 2.5 hour back. So this is gonna be my break in the clutch time. I'm just kidding. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead back. Huge shout out to Alton, Danny that helped out, his son, and everybody helped out with the clutch. I'll talk to you guys when I get home so I can tell you how it feels and the difference and all that good stuff. Well, I don't really want to wait until I get home, guys. This clutch feels really good. I've been driving it for like a bit now and it feels very good. Like, it's not, I can't really explain how my old clutch felt, but it was just really clunky, and this one's just like very smooth. And huge thumbs up. I'll see you guys when I get home. Oh my god, my fender liner literally just flew out of the car. Finally, we're home. Yes, it feels so good to be home. Guys, this clutch, night and day difference. Like, this car is so much better to daily drive like this. Like, how was I able to drive this car every single day with the clutch how it was before? That's insane. Guys, look at this. Literally, no more fender liner. Ripping the shot for the fender liner, boys. Ripping the shot. I gotta get so many things out of the car. I'm just gonna end the video here. But yeah, guys, Brittany finally got a new clutch, finally got a new slave cylinder. That's Brittany. I'm Danny. We upload every Tuesday and Friday if you guys haven't already subscribed. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. I'll catch you on to the next one where we'll probably explain everything. Peace.